Hello and welcome. This time we're looking at the HSS LED Festoon Lights, ideal for hiring when you need to provide essential low-level illumination on work sites of all kinds. Wherever you are working, Festoon lights can be simply strung out along fencing, scaffolding, trees, or any suitable supporting structure to help create a safe, well-lit working environment. Now, each set of our Festoon lights features 10 10-watt LED bulbs, equally spaced across a 22-metre hanging light chain. This provides 100 watts of light in total at 800 lumens, perfect for general low-level on-site lighting. And LED bulbs are 90% more energy efficient than old-fashioned incandescent bulbs, so you are helping to shrink the site's carbon footprint and electricity bills by using them. The individual lamps consist of a holder, bulb fitting and guard to keep the equipment safe. The whole set weighs just 3.5 kilograms, making Festoon lights easy to transport and simple to set up. Simply take out the bulbs and remove the lenses, then run the flex along the chosen route and tape the flex securely in place at regular intervals. Only fit the bulbs and lenses when the Festoon is in place. Then plug it into the power supply and you're ready to switch on. For more information about LED Festoon lights and our latest prices, take a look at hss.com.